How to set your own photo widgets in Android home screen. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up this process. So for that you can go ahead and access your widgets on your home screen. Tap and hold an empty space until the icons start to wiggle or until you see a menu. Now once you see a menu, look for the option like widgets or add widget. In the bottom you should be finding widgets option, tap on it. And from here, you will be seeing a list of available widgets from different applications. Look for Photos, Google Photos, or a similar app that offers photo widgets. For your Android device, you can look for Gallery or Photos option. We have this Photos option, you can drop it down. And it may offer different sizes or layouts. Select the one that you prefer. For example, we have this people and page 22 and our memories. So let me just select the first one. You can long press on it and drop it down on your home screen like this, and it will be placed like this. Now you can just go ahead and select up your email account from which you would like to add the widget. Click on OK and then select up a picture. Once you select up a picture, you can select up a frame style. For example, I would like to put the circle one. Tap on it, and then once you've selected the frame style, it will appear like this. For example, like this, you can just go ahead and put it wherever you want on your home screen. And there we go. This is how you basically set your own photo widgets in Android home screen. Apart from that, you can look for available apps on Play Store that will give you more easier access. But for now, you may follow this process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.